Hello, I will be sharing a tutorial on how to use the graphic design website Canva. And Canva is a free site that has paid elements but can be done well using only the free features. So once logged in, you can create a design by clicking this Create a Design button here, or you can browse by clicking Find Templates, and we'll try that. And here you could browse templates by types, book covers, brochures, business cards, calendars, things like that. Or you can search, and let's try flyers, and you can just browse things that you like and you're able to edit them. And let's find this one, and you can click use this template and you can edit things. So you can change the font size, the color, the font type. It's a lot like Photoshop. If you used Photoshop before, you can change letter spacing, line height, things like that. And these are all together, so you can ungroup, and then that lets you change just this. And it has snap functionality. You can snap it to the center. You can change the color. And if you want to add pictures, under elements there's free photos, and you can just drop it in. Select one, you can resize it and drop it in. And there's also things like shapes, if you want to add a square. And once you're ready to finalize the project, you can change the file, change what you want it to be called, and press done, and then press download, and you can either save it as a JPEG, PNG, or PDF. Let's try PDF, and then download, and then it saves it on your computer. And if you have any more questions, you can go on the website's called canva.com, and it's free to start out. Thanks.